Hey science lovers, it's Becky with Lab Rat Academy. And I am out here at Echo Lake and I found this really tall rope swing hanging off of this huge tree over here. And I was thinking there's so much physics behind this rope swing. This is called a pendulum. And to be able to calculate the physics behind this, it had everything to do with the pi, which is 3.14, and the length of this swing and also gravity of our planet. The gravity of our planet is 9.81 that we're going to use to be able to calculate the period of this swing. The period is how long it takes to fall from where I start to go to the other side and back again. So it's 2 times pi times the square root of the length of a swing divided by gravity, 9.81. We'll see what that is. Let's do some math here. So I'm gonna guess that this rope swing is about 20 feet long. So if I take the length of it, which is 20 feet divided by 9.81, and then I get the square root of that and multiply that by 2 and multiply that by the pi, which is 3.14, that will give me about 9 seconds. So my hypothesis is that this period of this swing going from one side to the other and back again will take about 9 seconds. So let's see how this works. You guys ready to time? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Woo! And stop. What'd you guys get for that? Wow, that was so much fun. I think that was about 7-8 seconds, so our estimate may have been a little off about how long our pendulum is, but we were fairly close. All right, we're gonna take this a little bit higher this time. We're gonna see if it's the same period, because the higher I go, the faster that I'm gonna go too. So the period should be about the same. Woo! Even lost my hat on that one. So if we're doing this right, it should mean that if I start lower down on the mountain, that the period should still be the same, because I haven't changed the length. The gravity of our planet is the same. That one was slow, but that should mean that this period is the same, right? Wow, science is so amazing. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.